Okay, so I'm going to show the progress so far. I had to go back to the regular shop, so I haven't been able to work on this. This shop's in my yard, so I can work at home. So I got this ready. There's a panel that goes in here. I'll show you on the other side because I got it for the other side. But I fixed this shackle. That was all rusted apart. Now this here, I'm just leaving this here so I know where the quarter goes. But I'm going to end up cutting this out. And right here, you can see this panel is ready to take off. I'm going to trim it right along this edge, I think. And then I'll weld the old one, or the new one on top, on this line here. So this has to all come off. This here has to be cleaned up. This panel here, right here, I have to get this off. This panel comes off. This all comes off right here. This gets cut right here, and right here. And so I left this here so I kind of know where the metal needs to go. So I got to build this yet. I got to build this up to here. There's rust out here. So I have to put a piece in here. And then I have this piece attaches to it. This piece goes up in here. But I need to build this piece out first. But I was waiting for this piece here, so I got this piece. And I don't have it for the other side yet. It's back ordered. So I've got to drill holes in there on the seam and then spot weld it. I'll pull these clamps off here. Let's see. Okay. Now this piece will come off. So yeah, I'm waiting for this piece for the other side. I'm waiting for the quarter panel for this side. I've got this panel here, but I don't have this panel here that goes in behind it. So this has to go on first, then this panel goes on. So I'm just waiting for that. I'm waiting for one quarter panel and one of these fender wells, inner fender well. So up here, I got that all cleaned up. I had to patch that. I patched down here. So and here I got to cut this off, but I wanted to leave the shape for now. But this has to get cut off, and I need to put a little patch there. And I rebuilt this door jamb and the inside panel too. It needed a, so I got it double layered. I got a layer here. I still have to grind it. And then I got a layer on the inside. And then I built this out just for strength, because this door is about, feels like it's 200 pounds. So when you slam it, I want it to be strong here. I don't want it to, and it was double layered on this part before. This part wasn't, but it is now. There's a layer of metal in there, an extra layer on the inside and on the outside. So that's what I'm working on so far. So I just got to do, I got most of the structural stuff done. Now it's just a matter of waiting for these parts. And now that I have this part, I can attach it, and then I can build this piece of the floor and attach that other piece. So that's what I'll be working on next. But that's just the update for now.